Now, welcome back, students. 7th class, chapter number 6, algebraic expression. So, now, friends, we are going to start from the first subtopic, multiplication of algebraic expression. So, let's take it started. So, here the first point is if you have to find the product of two factors with the same sign, then the answer will be positive. Okay, and if you find the product of two factors, okay, in the different signs, then the answer will be negative. Suppose the things here, friends, suppose a is any variables, okay, and m n are the integers, mn are the integers. Then suppose a raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n, and we have already discussed in the previous exercise, previous lesson, 5th number, exponent. Suppose here is the base, here is the base, and this is the exponent or the exponent. This is the exponent of the index. Now write the single base. When the bases are same, write the single base and add their exponents. Okay, this is the concept. I hope you will remember and you will understand. You will be understand. Now similarly, suppose x square multiply by x raised to the power 3 means x cube. Then write the single base and add their power 2 plus 3, add their exponent 2 plus 3, 5. Suppose we have to multiply 2x multiply by 3x raised to power 4. Now this is the factor. First of all, multiply the factor, and both having positive sign. Here the plus into plus plus. First multiply the numbers, 2 3 ja 6. Then this is the variable, write the single variable, okay, and add their exponent on the top of this variable. Here is the 1 is hidden, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is how to handle the multiplication of algebraic expression. So we are going to face such types of problems from, and we will take the questions from exercise. Then you will be very clear. Okay, now friends, let's take started in solving of exercise problem. So exercise, here is exercise 6b. okay, now have a look, friends. The first question says, here have a look, exercise 6b. Exercise 6b, the first question says find the products. Here the 3a square multiply by 8a raised to the power 4. Simply we have to multiply their the whole numbers. 3 multiply by 24, and a is the base, same base, write the single base, add their exponent 2 plus yani 24 a raised to the power 6. Now same question number 2 is same question number. Now we will solve the question number 5. Now see the question number 5. Sorry friends, see question number 6. Find the product. Question says find the product. First of all, see the numbers factors. Here is the minus 3 by 4 is the factor and factor. First of all, multiply the sign, plus into plus, and we have already discussed the multiplication of two expressions having the same signs means the result, the consequent value should be the positive. Okay, here is the minus, here is the minus, same sign, so minus into minus plus. Now 3 by 4 multiply by 2 by 3. Okay, now this variables multiply by this a b3 raised to power 3 into a square b raised to power 4. Now here is the numerator, here is the, yes, 3 will get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, and 2 1 ja 2, and 2 2 ja 4. So up numbers is 1 into 1 1, and 2 1 ja 2. And here here is a raised to power 1, here is a raised to power 2. So here the two bases, base are same, write the single base and add their exponent, 1 plus 2 3. Similarly here bb the same base, write the single base here and add their exponents, 3 plus 4, yes 7. This is your final answer. I hope you will very clear, you will be understand. We have taken question number 21. Why we approach the question number 200? Because 1 to 19 are the similar type of questions. Okay, now this is why we jumped question number 21. So find the value of minus 8 u raised to the power 2 into v raised to the power 6 multiplied by minus 20 u into v, for u is equal to 2.5, v is equal to 1. So first of all, write this expression minus 8. Here the solution, minus 8 multiplied by u raised to the power 2 6 v raised to the power 6. Okay, now multiply by minus 20 u into v. We have to take the value of u 2.5 and v is equal to 1. So where there is u, there is 2.5, where there is v, there is 1. Okay, instead of u we have to place this value 2.5, or instead of v we have to place this value 1. Okay, v 1. Now or either first of all multiply these two numbers. We have to separate the this constant terms, and we have to separate the variable terms. Now if minus into minus is plus, yes, 8 multiplied by 20, yes, 8 2 just 16 as 1 times 0. Okay, we have already done this constants. Now for u square, so 1 time u square multiply by u square multiply by u. Here is the 1 is hidden. Okay, the same base, write the single base. So 2 plus 1 is here 3, because if the bases are same, then add their powers, add their exponent at the top of the variables. Here is the v raised to the power 6, here is the single v, v multiply by v, write the single v because the base are same, then add their exponent 6 plus 1, 1 is hidden, 7. Okay, this is very simple. Now we have to place instead of u 2.5, here is the 2.5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so instead of v, here is v is equal to 1, 1 raised to power anything could be 1. Okay, here is the 3. Now have a look, 160 multiplied by, this could be written to 2.5 3 times, 2.5 3 times. Okay, because why? Because 2.5 raised to the power 3, so 2.5 could be written as 3 times, and 1 raised to power anything, 1 raised to is equal to 1. Okay, now friends, after multiplying 162.5 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 1 becomes 2500, means 2500. This is your final answer. I hope you will very clear. Now the next question is, friend, see the question number now 22. It says find the products given below, and each case verify the result for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Let us see this one. Now see friends, question says last find the products given below. First of all we have to find the products. So given below there are 4 sub questions, there are 4 questions, and we have taken 25th question. Okay, first find the products, this is the first statement. Okay, now second says each case verify the result for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. After finding the product, first of all find the product, this will get the one answer. Okay, then we have to place the value instead of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Then verify the result left hand side or right hand side. Let us see first statement. Say now we are going to clear shortcut about the first statement. Find the products. First of all find the products. In order to finding the product means, that means we have to multiply their constant term first. So here the 3 times, 1 time minus 1 time minus 2 and 3. The number of minus is odd number, so the answer is odd. Okay, because 3 times of numbers, this will pair, and the one pair to pairs of minus gives us the positive sign. Here is the single is, that means minus into minus plus, a plus into minus minus, this is minus. Now we have to multiply 4 by 3, multiply by, directly we can multiply. First write the 4 by 3 multiply by 2 by 3 multiply by 7 by 3. Now I repeat, we have to clear about the sign. So 3 times, here is the sign 3 times, 3 plus means gives us minus sign. Okay, then we have to multiply the constant of 4 by 7, here 2 by 3, here minus 7, 7 by 6. So here 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Okay, here 2 1 ja and 2 3 ja will get cancelled. So here 4 1 ja 4, this is minus 4 1 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9. Now then we have to write here we have to write a square, here is the a square, here is the a. So write the single a, here is the exponent 2, here is the exponent 1, 2 plus 1 3. Now think about b, here is the b, here is the b square, so b raised to power 1, write the single b, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, and now the c, here is the single c and here is the c, so base is same, write the single c, and the power is, here is the exponent 1, here is the exponent 2, 1 plus 2 3. then we have to cut. Okay, now this minus 4 by 9, here is the multiply a cube, b cube or c cube. 3 means cube. Okay, 3 means cube. A raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 3 or c raised to the power cube. Okay, raised to the power 3. This is your answer, first answer. Okay, this is your product. I hope you will clear. Now, the friends, this is the numbers. Now the product of this expression is here. Now we have, now I am writing this to right hand side, minus 4 by 9 a cube, b cube, c cube. Okay, now the for second statement, second says each case verify the result for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. So here is the left hand side and here is the product right hand side. Now we have to place this a is equal to 1 instead of a is equal to 1, instead of b is equal to 1. Now we have to put instead of c 3. Okay, here then match this is left hand side, right hand. If the left hand side becomes the right hand side, then our answer will be okay. Now see first LHS. So LHS is here. This is the left hand side. Now put the values of minus, this is as it is, minus 4 by 7 a. Where is the a? There is a 1. A ka square, a raised to the power 2. Here the 2. B. The value of b is 2. So 2 is okay here. Now this is the, now next minus 2 by 3 b. The value of b is 2. 2 raised to the power 2 square, and the c is multiplied by c is 3. I hope you will clear. Now multiply by minus 7 by 6. Okay, c is 3. So c raised to the power 2, so 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, now multiply by a is equal to 1. First of all solve this left hand side. Once again this is minus 3 times minus means minus, resulting value is minus. So 4 by 7 multiply by, so this is 4 by 7, or could be written as first we have to multiply, or either could written minus 4 by 7. This 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 2 1 ja 2. Okay, here is the single. Now this is minus 2 by 3 as it is. 2 square means 2 times 2. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. That means here is the 4. Multiply by 3 as it is. Now this is product minus 7 by 6 as it is. Now 3 square means 3 2 times, and here is the 1. Now next solve. This is minus 4 by 7 multiply by 2. Now remove the brackets. Okay, this is minus 2 by 3 multiply by 4 3 ja 12, or could be written as 4 multiply by 3. There is no matter at all. Okay, now multiply by minus 7 by 6. This could be written as 3 times as it is. If 3 multiply by 1, 3 1 ja 3. Now here is the 3. This 3 or this 3 will get cancelled. Here is the 3 2 ja 6. Now all the up numbers are, these are the numerators and denominator. Numerators and denominator will get cancelled if it is possible. Okay, now this is 3 3 will get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja, here is the 2 and here is the 2. 2 2 will get also cancelled. Here is the 7, here the 7 will get cancelled. Okay, that means in denominator there is 1. Okay, now we have written over here, this is minus 4. So minus multiply by minus multiply by minus, the resulting value is the minus. Okay, this is 4 multiply by 2. Have a look. 4 multiply by 2, 4 multiply by 2, this is 8. 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 4. Okay, multiply by 3. That means here could be written minus 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 4 or multiply by 3 or divided by 1. Multiply directly. Here is the 4. 4 4 ja 16. 16 6 ja 96. So the left hand side is 96. I hope you can easily solve the right hand side. This is your homework. So what we are going to, first of all, put the value of a is equal to 1 in a place, b is equal to 2 in b place, and c is equal to 3 in c place. Then multiply all the numbers. and you will get finally as minus 96. Okay, I hope you can do it. This is your homework because we have already solved left hand side. Okay, now we have to solve the right hand side and the remaining questions. So your homework is, students, your homework is question number 1 to 25. Okay, exercise 6b, question number 1 to 25. Have a nice day.